Hello! I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways to wear coral. Now, how this video is going to work is I'm going to talk about each way and show you an outfit for each one, so you have an example. Easy! Before we get into that, I just have a few quick things to say. First of all, my name is Ekaterina, but everybody calls me Catherine, so you can too. And on this channel, I post a video every Friday related to fashion or nails, which is basically a subheading of fashion as far as I'm concerned. And if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video.
So, the first way I'm going to talk about, and definitely the easiest way to wear coral as far as I'm concerned, is on your nails. Now, assuming you don't work somewhere that doesn't allow bright manicures, wearing coral on your nails provides that instant pop of color to any outfit. Especially if you're wearing something neutral, having that just subtle color on your nails will make your outfit pop just a little bit more. And since coral is such a bright color, and in particular the nail polish I'm wearing is actually a neon coral, I wanted to continue the bright and happy vibe by pairing it with peacock and floral decals. The second easiest way to wear coral is as a dress. Now, coral can be a little bit complicated because it is a very bright color, so wearing it as a dress pretty much does all the complicated styling for you. All you have to do is just throw on a pair of shoes. And if you throw on a pair of neutral shoes, well, it'll go with any coral dress you might have. Now, for this particular coral dress, since it has a little bit of black on the bodice and that black floral print, I decided to pair it with dark accessories like black ankle boots to kind of match the black in the top, and a very dark bracelet with some black in it. I won't spend too much time on this outfit because if you watched my 10 ways to style a tie-dye dress video, you've already seen it. But it does illustrate the next way to wear coral, which is as a blazer. Now, bright blazers might seem like they're a little bit tough to style, but wearing them with a neutral outfit is actually a very simple way to do so. They provide a nice pop of color, and they're also structured, so they're not as crazy as some other bright piece that you might wear. In this particular outfit, for example, I'm wearing the coral blazer over a dark tie-dye dress, and I'm matching the pink tones in the coral with a pair of rose gold sneakers. The next way to wear coral is quite subtle. So subtle, in fact, that it felt a little bit like cheating to put it in this video. But this is one time when I actually don't mind cheating, and hopefully you won't as well. So, moving on. And I'm talking about wearing it as a floral print, or any other print really. And if you go down this path, you can keep the rest of your outfit neutral or match your pieces to one of the colors in the print. For instance, in this outfit, the top has a little bit of green in it, so I matched that with a pair of dark olive pants, and I matched the pink tones with a pair of rose gold sneakers. This is another outfit that you've already seen, but just like in the previous case, it illustrates a way to wear coral, which is with silver. Now, pairing coral with silver is definitely not an obvious pairing, since they're both quite attention-grabbing colors. But silver, being a metallic, goes with pretty much everything, and coral is no exception, so coral and silver, here it is. In this case, it's quite a girly outfit with a coral crop top paired with a long silver skirt. And I wanted to toughen it up a little bit, so I added a pair of black combat boots. Yet another way to wear coral is with a neutral. And I know you've seen this outfit too, sorry, it's the last one, I promise. And in this outfit, my neutral of choice is black, which in most cases it is, but your neutral of choice can be white or gray or any other color really. It will really help to tone down the bright color. In this case, my coral top is toned down by the rest of my black outfit, which involves black shorts, black tights, and black ankle boots. As usual, I've saved my favorite for last, which is wearing coral as a pop of color. Now, we've sort of been doing that for most of this video, but in this case, it's purely that. The rest of the outfit, in fact, is actually monochrome black, with the coral blazer being the sole pop of color. Now, you can recreate this outfit by starting with any monochrome outfit and adding a coral piece. Or even several, like in this case I also added a pair of coral earrings to match the coral blazer. And I also added a gold belt just to make sure that my waist doesn't get lost in the rather loose dress.
And we're done! Yay! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, possibly subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!